Hey guys, it's JCube, and this video is going to be a supplement to my advanced 3x3 tutorial video. So this video specifically will go more in depth into advanced cross, and after I do a bit more explaining on advanced cross, I'm going to be doing 2 example solves of just the cross, and I'll be explaining my thoughts and why I'm doing every move. A key idea in solving the Rubik's Cube more quickly is efficiency, or doing as few turns as possible. So for the advanced cross, we're really trying to get the cross solution in about 8 moves or less. With a bit of practice, your crosses can actually take less than 1 second to do. In some beginner's methods, you might even solve the cross in this fashion, where you put the white edge pieces around the yellow centerpiece first, and then you move them down, which would require many moves as well as many rotations, both of which are inefficient. So when doing advanced cross solutions, we like to avoid rotations and stick under 8 moves. With an advanced cross solution, for example, you might even utilize the color scheme to incorrectly or not completely solve the cross at first, like this, where the cross isn't completely solved, but the white and blue edge piece is across from the white and green edge piece, as the centerpieces are as well, and the white and orange edge piece is across from the white and red edge piece, as the centers are as well, and utilize this color scheme to not fully solve the cross at first, but then do a D move to then fully solve the cross. Or, while inserting one edge piece, you might insert another with it. You could insert this white and red edge piece just straight down into your cross, or you could notice this white and green edge piece and insert it with the white and red edge piece. Now, those are just a few examples of what a more advanced and efficient cross solution might look like. Now, I'm going to take you through 2 example solves where I show you my cross solutions for each scramble. The scrambles will be in the description box below, so if you'd like to follow along, feel free to do so. Alright, so for this first cross solution, we have a bit of a problem here with the white edges here. So the white and red edge piece is 1 move away from being solved, and it's nice that these 2 are kind of paired together like this. The only problem is that when we solve the white and red edge piece, this white and green edge piece isn't actually solved. It should be over here. So it would have been really nice if the scramble gave us this kind of thing, but with the white and green edge piece over here, but we'll have to deal with that. So let's go ahead and solve the white and red edge piece, and then we're going to solve the white and blue edge piece. So I'm going to do that from here, just so that I'm not really rotating. So I'm going to go ahead and move the red edge piece in place, and then put the white and blue edge piece in place as well. And then what happens after that, I notice, is that the white and green edge piece is kind of matched up with this white and blue edge piece, but these 2 are opposite each other, right? Because the blue centerpiece and the green centerpiece are opposite each other. So I'm going to do a D2. And what that's going to do is that's going to match up the white and blue edge piece with the green centerpiece and the white and red edge piece with the orange centerpiece. Let's do a D2. And as you can see, everything's kind of opposite now. So then I can actually bring this guy in. However, that's only 3. We need 1 more. And so one way we could do this is go ahead and insert this edge piece, insert this right here, and then do a D2. But that's a bit inefficient. And I don't want to really rotate. So from this position, I'm actually just going to do a U to bring this white and orange edge piece over, so that when I insert this guy, this white and orange edge piece is actually already solved. And then when I do a D2 to kind of fix everything and match everything up with its correct centerpiece, I can just insert this guy with a simple F. Now for our second scramble here, this one seems to be a little bit more difficult. In that we have an edge piece in the white layer that's oriented like this, That's a bit of a problem. And we've got this white and orange edge piece that's kind of awkwardly placed. But on the right side, we've got this white and green edge piece just one move away from being solved, ready to go there. So how I'm going to approach this first is I know that to solve this edge piece, we're going to have to move it here. But this really is not nice. This is not nice to deal with. So what I'm going to do is from here, I'm just going to go ahead and do an F prime, which goes ahead and prepares this white and blue edge piece one move away from being solved, so that I can go ahead and I'm free to move this white and red edge piece into its correct position. So one more time. So first I'm going to move this edge piece out of the way so that I can go ahead and solve this, and this edge piece isn't really awkwardly placed. So we solve the white and red edge piece, and then I'm going to go ahead and solve the green one as well with a simple L prime. And then, kind of similar to before actually, I'm not going to go ahead and solve this one by itself and ignore this white and orange edge piece and then bring it over after I solve this one. I'm actually going to do it while I insert this one. So I do a U, and then when I bring it down, it solves this one. It matches this up as well, just one move away, and we do an F, and our cross is solved. So I hope that this video gave you a better understanding of how to more efficiently solve your cross, especially if you're looking to become a more advanced cuber. But that's all I've got for today, and I'll see you guys next time.